Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to integrate Bluevine with Xero. Alright, it's going to be a quick one. We're not going to waste much time, so let's just jump straight into it. Now, the first step, of course, is to log into your Bluevine account on the website. After that, go to Settings or Integrations, and there select Xero from the list of available integrations. Now click Connect and sign into your Xero account when prompted. Authorize Bluevine to share your banking data with Xero. This ensures that your transactions are synchronized automatically. Choose which Bluevine account to link. If you have multiple, repeat the process for each one. Once connected, open Xero and check bank accounts. Your Bluevine transactions will now appear under your linked accounts. Reconcile transactions in Xero to keep your books accurate and up to date. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.